Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can highlight muscles in a video on CapCut. So if you guys want to make your physique look absolutely shredded and divine in your fitness or progress videos, CapCut can make your muscles pop with a simple editing trick. So this is how you can make your muscles pop. You can just add your fitness video like this, for example, and then go to the part that you want to highlight. For example, in here, I'm going to highlight here. And after that, you can just right click on the clip and you can just freeze the frame. You can click on this options and click on freeze. Now copy the freeze frames to the top. I'm going to trim it first into around 2 seconds, and I'm going to copy it just like this. Okay. Okay, so once you copy the clip, you can click on the first freeze frame in here and then deactivate it first. Now click on the overlay, the one at the top, and then here you can just go to mask and click on add mask. Now I'm going to choose the brush option in here, or you can I'm going to just use the pen option, sorry. And in here, I'm going to highlight the part that I want to. I'm going to go in here. Okay. Oops. Okay, like this, for example. Now you can activate the first one. Now you can click on this again and go to adjust. Click on a curve and scroll down until you find the green and blue options. Now just drag it to the bottom for the green and blue, and you'll see the highlight in here. Now go to the basic under the adjust and increase the saturations to 50. Go back to the masking, and here I'm going to add some feather to make it look smoother, just like this. And you can preview it by playing the video. As you guys can see in here, I'm going to trim it to around 2 seconds, just like this. So this is how you can highlight muscles in your fitness video using CapCut. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.